Didn't knock you out.
Yeah. Let's go to back to our phone. Take that off. Take that off.
Okay.
Good. Could hold to the upside. Yeah. Mike? Mark?
Yes,
I took MND, yeah.
you did.
I did.
Oh man, you're a wild man.
I only took 20 shares. No, I already sold it. I already sold for 20 shares. I only got 20 shares left.
That's okay. Where'd you get in
Yeah.
at?
1930.
Beautiful. You're
Hmm.
like 3 points in it.
Yeah. Make 100 a day, 50, I mean, 500 a day. I'm good.
Yeah.
SMCI, gone. Nvidia almost green. Come on. Nvidia, come on. Coin is battling. Oh, this thing is a new IPO? India? No. Started at $4. 24 December.
You're halted up.
This is still suspended.
Yep. 21.97. It's
Mhm.
showing bid and ask. So you're okay. You're in a good position.
Yeah. You got any?
No. No, I don't just do.
You didn't get it? Didn't trade it at all?
No.
Okay.
No, if I didn't get into that original 1265, boom, and that all the halts, you don't know where a stock like that's going to go. I guess I could have taken 10, 20 shares.
Yeah, I took I took it, went red, I added more.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, let's see what happens. Let it be. And I put a sell order at 20 bucks. Because it first gave me at 20, it gave me when it opened up, gave me right here on top at 22.
Mm-hmm.
Then it fell. So I added more at 17.
Ah, okay. So you at cost averaged.
Mm.
Gotcha.
Because IBKR doesn't give you the right prices, man. You know.
Nope.
Yeah.
No, they don't.
SMCI is going. SMCI is going. 731 already.
Mm-hmm.
I was down on SMCI like 300 bucks.
Yeah.
And now I'm up 100 bucks. So it's okay. Small trades.
He must be on the phone.
Subscribe to the Zen Zone 01. Sorry about that.
I'm like, you're going on the phone. We're on YouTube.
Yeah. Welcome to YouTube. Welcome to TikTok. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you want to see the full chart, subscribe to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01. Okay, you could see the full chart. We are in MNDR. We are halted to the upside on that one. Okay,
Partial.
we got into at 1265 and I have my partial left, and that's what we're rocking with to the upside, okay? We wait till it's unhalted and I'll take some more shares off that stock. But for right now, we halted to the upside. We're watching SMCI through the VWAP. Hopefully we could hit our target at 738.30. Anything more than that, we golden on SMCI. All right. Welcome, guys, for joining Melissa Lopez. Crypto. Would hardly see you guys here. Light. For the love. Thank you.
Mention the store.
Me too. How you guys doing? Welcome. And if you want to check out the merch of the Zen Trader, log on to www.thezenzonestore.com. Okay? Thezenzonestore.com if you want to see our merches. Okay? Thezenzonestore.com. Right? If you want to check out some of our merches, okay? The Zen Zone store. Here we go. SMCI looking better. We're looking better on SMCI. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We've been waiting on you all day. Several levels you could have entered on SMCI at this 708, right? 708 took you to 721. Resistance, pull back, take it at 721 one more time. Hit that VWAP rejection a little bit, and now we're breaking through the VWAP, taking that trade through the VWAP. Target is 738.30. Okay, that's where we at on SMCI, and we halted on MNDR. Okay, nice base hit on SMCI, right? Nice base hit on SMCI. Looking good, looking better, looking good. Come on, let's get us some volume up through that. Ruben Gonzalez, welcome. If you would like to see the full chart, subscribe to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01. Okay? At the Zen Zone 01. All right, let's take some money off SMCI here. Okay, I'm gonna take 75 shares off. We got a little base hit on this one here, right? Boom, we took care of that. We're just waiting for MMDR to open up so we could take some shares off MMDR, okay? And we're gonna take 300 shares off that if it goes higher, or we just hold. Okay, so we watching for that one. Oh, thank you, Tobias. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, that's how we do. You know how we do in the Zen Zone, baby. Rocky, thank you for joining. How you doing today? Welcome to the Zen Zone VIP live trading, where we trade Monday through Friday, except for holidays. Okay. Fed talk is at 2 o'clock. So this market may do a little run before the talk and then pull back a little bit. Okay. Let's check out to see where the SPY is at so far. SPY. Hello, hello, hello. It's been a while. You're going to see more of me more often now. Yeah. You're going to see more SPY. Look how choppy the SPY is. Let's look at the
Yep.
SPY. The SPY need to break this level here to go higher. 501.30. 501.30. 501.30. 501.30. Let's take some money off MMDR. Right? Take some money off MMDR. So this is where the SPY needs to break higher to go higher, right? This level here. 501.33. Over 501.33. If you want to see the full chart, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay. Major resistance up here at this level here on the SPY. Okay. And then this channel, this is the SPY trading channel right now. As of right now, this is where the SPY is trading. So between 500 and 501, that's pretty much the range for the SPY this morning so far. That's pretty much the range for Thank you, Mark, for the like here. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
501 and 500. Okay, so this is the range. If you want to see the full chart, subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. I appreciate that. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. So this is the level here that the SPY is kind of trading today so far. So if you wanted to trade the SPY today at opening from this level here, right back to 500, bounce off to 500, right back to 501, rejection, bounce right back down and back and forth like that. So right down through the VWAP, support level at 500, bounce through the VWAP again, rejection at 501, came back down again one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6. And now find rejection at 501, right? So we want to see the SPY break through this 501.30 and higher. And let's see what happened. Maybe it's just staying in this level until after the Fed talk. Too legit to quit. Yes, sir. Absolutely. H-bomb. We're in the money, man. Correct. Accumulating. Absolutely. We'll see at 2 o'clock what's gonna happen, but 501.40, 501.30, that's the level that it needs to break. And maybe when he start talking, you'll get this level break, right? Target would be 502 at that point. Right? Big spikes. Big spikes. So let's see. Let's see what happened on that. And if you want to see the full chart, subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay? So 502 would be your target once it break this 501 40. All right? We're in this range here. That's the SPY. If you trade in the SPY. Okay? Get some of these targets out here. How we doing today, guys? Ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Spanish Town. St. Catherine. That's where I'm from. Medea, you know? Try help the people them, you know? Sir, go. Got a gift, you have to share it with the world. You were born with a gift, so this is my gift. No, Medea, the US, no. So that's the SPY. That's what you're waiting for, right? Anything on the 500, you could look to short that. Okay? You could look to short that on the 500. Okay? On the 500. And if you want to check out our merch, go ahead and log on to as you could see it here, www.thezenzonestore.com. Okay, check out our merch, and there's other things there too. But if you like a hat, a t-shirt, got some t-shirts, can't really show it to you now, but you could check out the store at www.thezenzonestore.com. You could check that out. We're putting stuff to it every single day. We're adding stuff, changing stuff around. So one day you may see something, the next day you may not. Okay, so just know that we're changing stuff around every so often. But that's where you'll find our merches and many more gifts, motivational shirts, trading shirts, the 5 keys of what I go by on a daily basis when I trade. Okay. Yeah, man, Jamaica, nice, man. I love it. All right, so let's see. Anything, guys, you want to look at? Let me see. Stock pick of the day, it was Dash. I could go through that because Dash was the stock pick of the day. Let's see where it's at now. Let's see where we at. Hit that like button for me, ladies and gentlemen, and share the live. And if you want to see the full chart, just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yes, I'm from there, Paul. Yes. Dash is just right here at this level here. Look at Dash now. Now we could see where Dash is between that low, 127.40, right? Down here, 127.40 on Dash, right? Let's get rid of that, right? Some VWAP rejection on Dash here. Look at this level here now on Dash, right? So if Dash is going to break higher, I would wait for that 128.50 or with volume through the VWAP to that level, right? So I would wait. There's nothing going on right now. I wouldn't force any trade at this moment because Fed is going to talk, right? Powell, he's going to talk. So I would wait. So 127.40 down at the low here. Here you could get 40 to 30. So almost like a 9 points differential to the support level on the 30 RSI if you get through this 127.40. Okay. So that's where I would watch 127.40. I don't like the short there, but you still have an opportunity there if Dash is going to break. Okay. That's where I would look at. And if you want to see the full chart, just go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay. Follow me on all social media too as well, guy, at the Zen Zone, ladies and gentlemen, and at the Zen Zone 01. Trying to eat breakfast at the same time. It's lunchtime and I'm eating breakfast. Got to trade and eat, man. Sometimes that's how it is. So that's Dash, right? 128.50 and on the 27.40. Let's go back to SMCI. Came back to our entry here. I will be out the rest of shares on SMCI. I'm okay with that, right? Got our base hit, and that's it. We're done. So 25. I'll be out the rest of share size on SMCI. As you could see, SMCI is getting beat up all day today. Getting beat up today. Okay. So the next now, we're going to look for SMCI now. If it finds support here, let's look for 38, 738.30, right? So 738.30 going to be the next resistance level and see if the market changed direction, SMCI would break through this 738.30, right? So 738.30. That's one of the stock pick of the day, 738.30. That's going to be the new long. Okay. Unless it goes lower, right? Then we'll put back, it goes below 721, then we could get it on the reversal. But for right now, it seems like it's got some rejection right here, as you could see. Okay. There you go. See this line here? That's that rejection level. Okay. Right at VWAP. All right. If the market start dumping 721 to 707, that would be a nice trade too. Breaks this support level. Right? So we're right in between this channel here, between 721 and 738.30. If the market fell, then you could have it through 721, right back down to 707, 708. Okay? So let's do that. Let's make that 721 break, right? To 708. 721 break to the short side. All right. Make that the red, as red indicate we going short, right? You could watch that there, and then 708 will be target. We'll analyze that as purple. Okay. So that's that. Okay. That's SMCI, right? So keep an eye on that. That's going to be for you. Webull is the platform. If you like to follow me on all social media at the Zen Zone 01. QCOM. QCOM. That's our next stock pick of the day, right? SMCI was 1. Qualcomm is number 2. We already went over Dash, DASH. If you want to follow me on all social media at the Zen Zone 01, follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Meta, X, and Instagram. Just subscribe, man. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to see the full chart. Qualcomm already break down. Wow, nice. Still breaking down there, trying to find support down at this level here, right? Here we are. That was it. Below 64, right? Here she is. If she break this 64, we good. On the way back up, 64.60, right? Some resistance here. But look, maybe we could have the VWAP come down and support this level, and that would be a better trade on a reversal up through the VWAP, bam, right? So let's put 64.60 as a reversal level, right? 64.60. And then 64 short. $64.60, right? Long. And then short on the 64 as it trying to find some support level here. Okay. And our target is going to be right above the VWAP here, which is the next resistance level, right? And we're going to turn that into purple here. Okay. That's it. That's all we're waiting for. All right. Nothing else. Delete that. Pressure is to the downside right now. Okay. So you got your levels. 64.60 if Qualcomm is going to return to the upside, 64.60, you're going to look for that level and short on the 64. As you can see, it's trying to find support there. That's the stock pick of the day. If you want to see the full chart, just subscribe to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01. Okay. Pfizer, PFE, another great trade today. And subscribe to the Discord. Come on into the VIP lounge here with us. Okay. If you want to see me do pre-market analysis, breakdown, how I get into my trades to start my day, come on in. Log on to the Discord. All right. So here we are. Pfizer getting some rejection up at 26.65. Okay, so 26.65. Let's put that at some rejection here. Higher. Higher, higher. Help us save the kids. Thank you for the like. Share the live for me. I appreciate it. Hit the like button as well. Thank you. Boom, 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 boom. 26.65. That's what we're looking for an upside on Pfizer. Target would be 27. Okay, let's hit that. There's a breakdown here at this level of 26.45, some big support level here. And that's the VWAP. So we could short that through that level, right? Let this be the target. So change that from being long earlier to short now, below. And that's what we're going to do. And that would be a VWAP play, right? That becomes the new target to the downside, okay? And let's get rid of that one, okay? Open that chart up a little bit, okay? So that would be the first target. And as you could see, there's another support level right there. So let's take care of the first one first. That one, if it breaks, 3/4 out, let the rest ride if it continue on the downtrend. If not, found support at VWAP, we'll look for that bounce over this level here. Okay? MMDR looks good. 2240, anything over 2240 on MMDR. Let's go to MMDR for a little bit. Elite, thank you for joining. NVCK, thank you for the follow. So we know this level here now. Well, we need to crack this here. 2240, right? We need 2240 to break higher. Need some volume, 2240. 2240 long on MMDR. As you could see, I got it at 1265. Okay. 2240. Does that be the target up top here, right? There's a gap there. So right before the gap, that would be your target. The gap is right here above this level here. All right. So that would be your target. This is the gap over here. You know what? Let me line it up and show you where the gap is. This is the gap on this chart over here. So this is the gap here. It's at right here. Right over here. This is the gap level right here. Move it to there. But at least you could see that. Right? That's the gap. We change this color here, make it a brighter color. Yellow. Okay. So that's the gap. If it's going to break with volume, fill that level, fill the gap. Anything above that, she's gone. If not, there's rejection here, also rejection here as well. So with volume coming in, hopefully we could break this level. If not, we're not breaking that level to the upside at all, right? More gaps to fill to the downside. Here's another support level here, right? Who knows? We could get this level and then halt it and then gap down below the VWAP. But if it's going to short underneath this 1786, we could look at 1786 for a short. Okay? 1786. $17.86. 86 short. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you see anything, let me know here. So this is going to be the short, right? On MMDR and over that 2240, right? That's it. Okay. They call this gap down. So got to fill all these gap on the way down. Who knows? Right now, we're in a channel in between 1786 and 2240. That's where the channel is right now. Okay. So we need something. Remember, he's getting ready to talk soon in about over an hour. It's about 12:54 right now. So we got about an hour before you talk. Hour and 6 minutes or so. Okay, so just be mindful getting into anything now before the Fed talk, because the market could go either way. Trying to stuff my face too. I'm sorry. Next stock pick of the day is coin. Let's go to coin. Right? Coin. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys, where you could find all the all the links, okay? You could find all the links. Come on over, share the live as well. I appreciate you. Okay? Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell. All right? Your gold coin. Your gold coin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. So we need Bitcoin to break through 57068, and coin already ran. So that was the break on coin, right? 202. Now she's at 206. So 4 points already in the money on coin. So she broke away, hit her target. If you've been following me, you know green is entry and purple is target. So coin already breakthrough and ran. So that was a great trade. Okay. Found support at 199.50 and then just broke through the VWAP, right? And now she has some resistance up here, 206. I don't like to trade at the highs of the day. So what we do here, unless significant amount of volume come in at the high, you could scalp it through this level here, right? That's the only thing I would do, but I don't like it. I'd rather wait for a pullback. So 206.30, let's put a 206.30, right? But I wouldn't trade that 206.30 unless some volume comes in, right? And blow it right through it. I would watch that if you wanted to trade coin. Then Bitcoin would have to break that 57.068, right? To go higher. And hopefully coin will take you higher. But for right now, what I would do, I would just watch coin. And this level here, what is it? 204. I would watch 204 to the downside on coin. Okay? Towards the VWAP. So short 204, right? And over 206 with volume. Only with volume over 206. That's what I would do. Okay? And I would just watch below 204. Okay, to the downside. And then that would be my target towards the VWAP. Okay, to the next support level where it break out from.
VIK.
So this is what I would do, right? Short here, right back down to the VWAP support level. If it start giving it up, then woo-wee, back to 200, right? So that's how I would do coin. And we already talked about SMCI. All right, next target. So that's that. Family Gamer Night, thank you. Welcome. Dre Jones, we're looking at coin. This is coin. Broke the 202 earlier. That's where we had initially and just ran to 206. So that was a great trade on coin. For coin to go higher, Bitcoin would have to break 57068 for coin to go higher. Other than that, I'll wait for the 204 to the downside. And remember, we got an hour to go before Powell speaks. So I'll just watch the market. If you want to trade something, you would trade something before he talks. Okay? I apologize because I gotta eat too, right? Keep going. MMDR, looking good, looking better.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, I tell you, with volume, that's the next break on MMDR, right? 2240. You could get rejection there, but more volume comes in, that will be the break. There's resistance up here too. Okay, at this level here. Bam. There's a gap right here at this level here. That 2430 area here. Okay. She might did her run already. I've been here, man. I've been here just working on stuff, man. Working on building the website, working on, improving, what I do here. Improving on my trading, teaching Zoom. Okay, if you want to get into that Discord, just sign up. Come on into the Discord VIP. Message us if you want to join us at info@thezenzone.us. If you want to join us in the VIP, where we go live on Zoom. You get on, you see my pre-market prep, right? You see my levels. I show you what I do in the VIP. And if you will follow me on all social media at the Zen Zone 01 on TikTok, YouTube, Meta, X, Instagram. If you want to see the full chart, just log on to YouTube and subscribe to the Zen Zone 01, where you could see the full chart. And also check out our website too, right here. There you go, www.thezenzonestore.com. Check out our trading merch and stuff like that. All right, King.
And motivational stuff.
Mm-hmm. Find some other stuff in there other than merch. You could find some motivational shirts. You could find some gift for a friend, for your family. It's something. Pretty much. We're building it little bit, brick by brick. Right? Rome wasn't built in a day. So here we are. Dash. So let's look at Dash. Dash now alerted us. Let's see where Dash is. Okay, Dash. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dash just broke, right? So Dash broke, right? Dash broke this level. There she goes, 2740. All right. It's a resistant level here now, right? On Dash. So we could look at this level on Dash now on the upside, right? For Dash to break higher, right? 2780. That's tight, but I'm okay with that. 2780 on Dash. 127.80. Okay. That'll go higher, right? It's already broke. Let's see what happened down at this level here. Okay, so if you were in Dash, it already broke. To go higher, let's see. Just be mindful. The Fed hasn't talked yet, so I would be mindful. If you're trading anything, small share size, don't get caught. Okay? Don't get caught. I got a partial left in MNDR. And I'm just holding that position for right now. Any sign of turn back, I'll come out of this stock here. Okay? Matter of fact, while I'm here, let's take 100 shares off that right now on MMDR. Okay? Because it seems like we have some resistance there. Right? Let's take 100 shares off. Pay yourself first. Okay? I like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, that's that. All right. That was MMDR. That was great. Guys, see anything? Just go ahead. J&J. Let's look at J&J, Tobias. Let's look at J&J. See where we got on J&J. Yeah, so I'm getting all this from YouTube, guys. So if you want to see the full chart, just get into the chat on YouTube at the Zen Zone 01. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's do J&J. We got over the top 151, right? 151.20. I would rather wait till it comes through the VWAP here at this level here, short, right? Let's see here. 149. I'm gonna go 149.60, right? 149.60, and that's through the VWAP. 149.60. That's on J&J. And anything over 151.20, right? 151.20. There's some resistance up there. 151.20. 151.20, right? Bow. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's do it. Next support level would be your target down here at 148.82, right? Bam, let's get rid of that alert, right? And then your target over this level would be 152, right? That's how I would treat J&J right now. Tobias, right? That's how I would treat J&J. 50 seconds before we see where MMDR break that 2240 already spiked through that already. 2245. There we go. Zen Zone merch, right? Boom. Blue skies, welcome. Thank you for joining. So that's J&J, Tobias. I would just look for that. The volume is kind of died out a little bit. So look at the support level right here at 150.56. Big support level right here, right? Look at that. So look at that channel, it's just going sideways. That's the channel. It may drop sharply or just continue no volume right now. So I wouldn't mess with this right now, right? I would rather wait till it comes down to the VWAP. and see what happened then. Not saying you can't scalp it from here to here to the VWAP, but that's not how I would do it. I would rather wait. Cause the Fed talks in less than 50 minutes, so here it goes. All right, here comes MMDR. Pulling back a little bit. Pull back a little bit on that candle, right? Bam. It's at 17. The support level looks good at 22, short, right? Boom. To 17, that's 3 points to the downside. That's a possibility too, right? At the support level at 20, right? 1880. Boom, down to the VWAP. That's something you could look into as well, right? That's a possibility. Or you want to wait. There's options. That's all it is. That's all that is. You got options. With volume coming into the market, and volume coming into the stock, which way, which direction? To the upside, we're going to have that break. If it volume coming to push the market down, push MMDR down, that 1980 towards 17, right? 1786, that's a possible trade right there. But I want to see more big momentum to the downside. And it's just start emptying out. It could just do the same thing here. Halted, gap down to the downside and do all of that mess again. Okay? And you just got to be quick to get out of that. You're welcome. You're welcome, King. And below, I think that's what it says. I can't really see those letters. But you're welcome. F-Train, thank you for joining. If you'd like to follow me, go ahead, check us out. Check out our website at www.thezenzonestore.com. Six-figure trader, yes, sir. Thank you for joining. We're getting the bag, man. That's why we try to do every single day. Extraction from the market. If you want to know how I do, subscribe to the Discord channel, the VIP. Thank you for the follow, six-figure trader. I appreciate that. Also, you could subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Sorry. Absolutely, Tobias. The opportunity would present itself. Absolutely. Every single day. Here go the SPY. 500, right? Like what we talked about. Let's go back to it. Let's see. Let's see what we're talking about on the SPY, right? There she goes, right? We talked about this range right here. That's the channel. There you go. The SPY. Right back down here again, right? Look. Next support level on the SPY. See, I don't trust anything right now, right? I'm not going to trust anything until after this gentleman talk. So if you're in anything right now, I would say take your 3/4 share out or hold if that's something you're trying to do. I'm not trying to hold anything while these guys talk. I got 100 shares left of MMDR, and that's okay. I took 3/4 out, took a partial, and a partial, and a partial, okay? Look like the SPY is breaking down lower. So that would be the target. Boom, boom. But look in between this to the downside. Look at this other support level right here on the SPY. So the SPY really could come down, not say necessarily to the low here, right? But look what it could do. Come right down to this support level right here. Look at that. Look at that right there. So break, bam, bam. Okay. So just be mindful. These stock could find support at any level. This is pre-market resistance over here, right? And coming the way back down, it could use a bottoming tail like this one, create support. Look at this one. It ran right through both support level here and here and create a low. Okay. So just be mindful on that. Okay. When you trade in the SPY, just be mindful. And again, Bitcoin got to break 57068 for more upside. Okay. QQQ. Let's see what's going on with QQQ. QQQ. Say ETF. Okay. If you want to see the full chart, guys, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay. So we have some support level right here on 421 on the QQQ, right? You could see it. How many times it touched this level here, right? Break it, right? 421. $421, right? Looks good right now, right? For the short side. And 420.66. So that would be your target, right? That would be your target, right? To the low. That would be your target. If that's something you want to do, right? You're looking at what, 40 cents, 45 cents. That's if you want to trade the QQQ. All right. Anything lower than that, she's golden, right? Underneath the low. All right. It's a 50-cent move down here, right? $421. Yeah, if you want to see the full chart, just subscribe to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01. Okay. Hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live on YouTube. Okay. So that's what I see on the QQQ. Let's clear some of these up. I got so many alerts here. But MNDR is a beast right now. Let me clear up this chart here. And all of this is just from me just doing my research and just checking levels on these stock here. You see all these lines here. Got work to do. It's always work. It's just like the yard. Gotta always be cleaning up outside, especially when it's springtime or fall. Raking leaves, pruning trees. Just the things that we do. We got about 40 minutes to go before this gentleman talk. Before Powell start talking. 2 o'clock. All right. So get rid of some of these things here. We get back to QQQ under 5 minute there. And as you could see, it's trying to find support at this level, right? Just clearing out this chart here. Clear this up. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody is good. Everybody is green today. Right? Just trying to clear up my chart here. Look a little messy there. See that 421, right? There's another support underneath 414.10, right? Let's go here. Let's go here. Boom, 421. Look like it bounced off, right? We got VWAP. There's one area you could wait for. Look at this other resistance here, but look how close the VWAP is. So what you're going to need is some great volume to break through that level here to get you that VWAP straight through the VWAP, right? So this level here, hold on a minute. So this level here, this is the QQQ we're looking at right now, right? This is the QQQ, right? We got this up and down here, right? Making lower highs, right? Here we got big support level here. Failed to go lower, right? As it does many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here's another resistance here. Okay. This is very tight, right? Here's one right here where she's at right now, right? Here's the next one right there. Okay. And what else do you have? The VWAP. Look here, the VWAP. There's another one right here. So I wouldn't want to trade in between all of this here. I need more volume. If I'm going to take the trade, I'll take the trade or rather take the trade through the VWAP and higher. So that would put me at what? 422? 422.20. Yep, 422. The VWAP is there right now. 422.23. So I would put 422.25, right? And wait for that with volume pushing the QQQ to the upside. Other than that, I'm not doing anything. I'd rather wait for it to come to me. I'm not going to stress myself and try to trade in this choppy area here. It's accumulated in this stage here. Look at it. Pretty much pre-market and then breakout, pre-market, got rejected, market open, came right back down to that same level. So that's where it's operating now, the QQQ. So if I'm going to take anything, I'm going to check. Look, it broke once here, pull back, hardly anything right at this level here. Look at that candlestick here. Look at that wick. Hardly anybody to that, right? Pull back down, break it one more time. So that's twice, right? 3 times, rejected at the VWAP now. So if I'm looking for the QQQ, I'm looking for this level to go higher. and then looking for 421 to go short. Okay? And it could stay in this channel here till close, and then boom. Which direction it's gonna go, we don't know. Okay? That's the QQQ. Etsy, 69.40. Watch Etsy at 69.40. And not saying you can't scalp these stocks through levels, you can. It's just that at this moment, before this gentleman talk, I'm not gonna do anything. Sit on your hands if you have to. Nothing is not moving significantly. All right. Hit the like button for me, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the like button for me. And if you'd like to join our free Discord, come on in. Link is in the bio. If you want to join our VIP, info, message us at info@thezenzone.us. Info@thezenzone.us. Just email us. Let us know that you're interested. Go check us out. Check the VIP section in the Discord out. And you'll see what we all about. Okay, if that's something you want to do. KBNT 52 weeks low. Check that out. KBNT. Let's see what that is. AMD at 44. We talk about AMD today at 44. 144. Afraid to be. Nothing on that. Nothing. I wouldn't touch that at all. This is what? Going to zero. Coming off the chart. Where is that? KBNT. KBNT. There's nothing there. Look, zero. 52 weeks low. Nothing happening. 80% down. Oh gosh. That is coming off. That is coming off the chart. Look at that. I had this where? Above 51 cents. Broke it, but that's it. Look. Nothing much after that. So this may come off the stock market. We're going to zero by the end of the day. I know why it's still. This should be a pink sheet. This should be a pink sheet right here. There's nothing there. I wouldn't waste no time here. Okay. See anything? Afraid to be naked. What a name. Thank you for joining. Hey, not. All right. Let's look at AMD as we were talking about that. AMD. Baba is 75.70. Watch Baba. 75.70. Watch Baba 75.70. AMD pulling back down. AMD pulling back down. Let's see. AMD. Okay, broke above 144. So that was the level for AMD to break. Let's go to the next one. 144.60. 144.60. Just watch that VWAP level. So you would trade it towards that level. 144. Let's give that some life here. We already break 144. Let's give it some life at that level there. If it's going to break higher, VWAP will be your target. Right? We're in this channel here. So 142.60 we're going to do. 142.60. That's gonna be a short level there on AMD. Here we go. How you doing today? Welcome. Happy Wednesday. Hump day. All right, so let's get this out of the way here. That's where you're gonna watch that level, okay? So we're in this channel here. You're gonna watch AMD in this level here. This is the channel that got a break. Higher, bam, towards VWAP target. Break on the 142.60 to the downside. Here comes Bitcoin. Trying to break 57068. Okay. Look for Bitcoin to run. Right? Steve 627, thank you for joining. All right, so if Bitcoin look like it's gonna run, let's see what coin is. Let's see what MSTR is, right? Let's see what Mara and Raya is. There she goes. She broke already. Huh? Looking good. Looking good. Now we could move the short up, right? Let's move it up to this level now, right? Big support level, right? 204.75. That's what you're gonna do. Okay, 204.75, looking for short if we're coming back down, right? And now you could look for the next break higher if it goes 208, right? $208. All right. So even if you had 206, you got a 1.5 break at 206 that we had talked about. Bam. Right? You even could put it short there at 206 too, right? Because that resistance becomes now support on the way back down and breaking through this level at 206. That looks good. Thank you, babe. So 206 looks good too. So let's put 206 and 204.75. Those are two areas you could look for. 206, right? That would be the target, right? So if you don't want to take it here, there's another entry here at 204, right? Let's take it there. Let's do that 204.50, right? And then look, you got the VWAP mess right here, right? That's it. But for me, I wouldn't be looking to do coin to the upside. I'll look for a reversal going into the close, okay? That's what I would look for. So that's coin. Bitcoin already broke, right? Bitcoin already broke. So let's look at MSTR, right? Dash. Dash or MSTR already broke, right? Look at that. 1040. If you were here when we were talking about MSDR, there she goes. She broke, right? We got a gap up here though, right at the top. There goes the gap. That shaded area, that's that gap down, right? Boom. All right, so you know 1054.47, right? Next break. I want to see it over to 1050. Right, 1050. 1050. Right? We want to see 1050 break with volume to the upside. Right? And it would have to fill the gap to the downside again one more time, right? 1040. Let's give it some little room here. So let's put 1039. Right? 1039. Even number. I like even numbers. Right? Bam. And again, you got less than 20 minutes before this gentleman talks. So the market may make a run to the upside. Just look for that pullback. Look for that pullback. Okay. So that's this level towards the VWAP. Look at the VWAP. What make me think that nothing is gonna look at the VWAP just straight across? No indication that it's going to go higher. It's just staying there, right? Right? And then the VWAP would be the target. Okay, anything below that, you golden. Other than that, you scalping it through that 1050, go higher. Again, just be careful after this gentleman start talking. We could run higher, you be a part of that, or you could be a part of it as it pulled back, okay? So that's VWAP, straight across. Can't get a VWAP any straighter than that. All right? So that's that, okay? I'll be just mindful. That's MSDR as coin trying to make a run. Coin is trying to make a run, already broke. So 57,198, 57,207. So Bitcoin is running right now. Just be mindful, okay? Just be mindful. That's MSDR, right? I'll wait for a pullback, guys. Verizon at 39.40. Watch Verizon at 39.40. Max, thank you for joining. If you'd like to check the full chart out, subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. You'll see the full chart, okay? Do that for me. Also, just share the live. Share the live. If you want to join all the links, check us out on YouTube. You got all the links in the chat. Let's look at Mara. That's only if Bitcoin start running, all right? Just be mindful. Mark, do me a favor, do MMDR 7, please.
7? You don't want the full amount?
Oh, you could do the full amount.
They may have not seen it, but they're gonna be bedazzled by it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see here. Mara over 1650. Already broke this level 1621, right? So next level 1650. Big spike up this morning on Mara. Look at this spike candle here, all the way to 1712. Okay. Reversal, 1621. Resistant becomes support, right? 1621. 1621. Watch that reversal there towards the VWAP, right? Right? That's what I would do. Break higher. Need lots of volume coming in to get you to that 17, right? It's about a 50-cent move, right? Risk 50 cent to make 50 cent. Yeah, that's okay. Cool. DMG, how you doing, buddy? Thank you for joining. If you'd like to join us and see the full screen, subscribe to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01. So that's what I will do to Mara. If Mara fail, right, towards the VWAP there, okay? What we're doing, following the trend. Trend is your friend, okay? Snap, 1585. Watch snap at 1585. Snap. Okay, snap at 1585. So that's Mara. Let's look at Riot. So we went through MSTR, coin, Mara. Let's look at Riot. Ouch. There we go. So look at Riot. We went through coin. We went through MSDR. We went through Mara. Now we're at Riot. And Riot and Mara look like they're on the same kind of break, right? So let's go. Resistance level here. Let's get to that. 1010. What a number to be a resistant level. 1010. Okay, watch 1010. 1010. It's almost a 10-cent move there. Ten to this level here, right? The body of this bigger candle here, right? So break with volume, boom, with the right shear size though, okay? And then we're gonna look for a short level here. If it fails to go higher. Watch MM and DR to the downside, reversal coming down. I'm gonna get another 50 shares out of that. Okay. I get another 50 shares out. So let's finish up Raya here. Then I'll take some more out of MMDR, right? So this level could be a short level here. I change that to red, indicating we going down. We going down. All right, and that's 980. 980. Set our alert there, 980. Okay. Okay. Then your target is gonna be the low, okay? Welcome, 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 everybody. Share the live. We got less than 14 minutes. Okay, and that's gonna do it for us, right? Less than 14 minutes. We're gonna see what happened at 2 o'clock, okay? Welcome, welcome. So Riot got to break through that 1010 and short underneath that 980, okay? So that's where we at right now. Powell's gonna speak, so don't get yourself involved in anything right now, as we never know where the market is gonna go. It could run to the upside. MU over 110. MU over 110. Watch MU at 110. Do me a favor, subscribe to the YouTube channel for me, please. If you're just joining us, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You see the full chart. And visit us on our website at www.thezenzonestore.com. Okay. Get a glimpse of what we're all about. If you want to join the Discord, come on in. Join the VIP room where we could show you what we do on a daily basis. Okay, I forgot to take some out of MMDR, and I'm gonna do that right now as we speak. Take some shares out, as it look like we're having a reversal here. Take some off there, right? Look at this reversal here. We could check that reversal here if it start breaking down, right? At 2034. I like that right there, 2034. That looks good. If it's gonna break lower, we never know what can happen. Okay. So I would watch this level here to the downside. Let's look at the tape. We could see by the tape. Let's go to tape. This is the daily. Right? This is the daily. breaking down, right? It break the 70 RSI already. So it's in a downtrend, right? We got a bottom in tail at the moment, right? So let's open this up a little bit more here. Let's get rid of this here. Because this could be confusing with the VWAP. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Right? This is the VWAP. It's down. We meet resistance here, right? This is the resistance here. Let's bring this over here. Some more here so you could see it. This is resistance here. See that purple line there? That's resistance, right? This is the bottom in tail. It could come back down all the way back here. We don't know. But right now, it's in a downtrend, right? Meet resistance and pulling back, leaving a bottom in tail. What could happen? Volume could come back into this stock and break through this level here, get back up to that 29.50, right? But as of right now, we on a resistant level right here, right now. Okay, if you look at the daily, this is support right here. Look, support, trying to break this level, more downside. We're right back down here. How far it will come down till you get another resistance here, support here, and another support level here. So it could come back down to any one of these levels and find support and bounce again, right? That's on the daily. Let's go back to the 5 minutes. Here, see that resistant level? You see that purple line? Let's go back. Resistance, right? Resistance. Go back to the 5 minute. That's the resistant level where that purple line is. So it still have more room based on that candle, right? That candles with that spike, it still have more room to go down, right? Or you got more room to the upside to meet that resistance. So from here to here, you got more room to go. But I wouldn't trust it, right? I just wouldn't trust it at the moment, right? Just wouldn't trust it. So I would rather wait till it break this level going higher, or it's going to break this level to the downside, and we could benefit off it from here right back to the VWAP. And that'll be that. That's how I would trade this stock here. I need volume to come in to break through this level to go to the upside. And I wouldn't test it here. I would rather wait here with more volume coming. Okay? Not saying you can't take it from here to here, but I would rather wait if I was going to trade this stock higher. I'm already in it at 12.65. Okay? Still got more room to go to the downside if it's gonna. I just came out with a half share size on that 100 shares. Okay? So I would just wait. See, the pullback is coming, right? Pullback is coming. Look, before it gets there, look again. I take another 25 shares out. Look, just paying myself. And this is partial on a partial that I'm doing this. Okay? Partial on a partial. That's another partial I'm taking out. Bam. I go live at 9:30 every day in the VIP. So if you want to come into the VIP Discord, come on in. Info us at the info@thezenzone.us and let us know if you want to come in and join us when we go live. We do pre-market prep at 9 o'clock to 9:30 and then go into the market. That's what we love to do, but do it every day. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. These are the stock pick today. You get all these in the VIP Discord. You get that in the VIP Discord. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. I've been on for quite some time. Last year, we did a challenge of 251 trading days to see if I could do 250 days green. Yeah, I got my ups and downs, but it was green for those days. Thank you, thank you. So just watch the market. This gentleman is going to talk in 4 minutes. And just watch those levels that we talked about, right? Let's see where Bitcoin is going to be. Bitcoin already broke. Oh, nice. Okay. 5.7, 5.7. So now it needs to break over 5.7664. Bitcoin got to break over 5.7664. So that means if Bitcoin is climbing, what else you think is climbing? Coin, right? MSTR, right? Let's go back and check those stock and see where they at now. Ooh, we love what we do over here. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Again, one more time. And up she goes. So as she goes up, right? What happened? 208 becomes that short now, right? 208. 210 becomes that 210.40 becomes the high, right? 210.40 becomes the high. Again, do you want to trade over the top? That's a decision you would have to make. 210.40. Okay. Two oh eight twenty. 208.20. Okay. 208.20. Let's watch that to the downside. That's all. Or let's wait for that 208 break. I like even numbers. So let's wait for that 208. Right? 20 cents is just a warning before it hit 208. Okay, so that's it. Netflix at 252.89. Watch Netflix. J&J 151.20. Nvidia, here she comes. 1 minute to go. Watch coin. What coin is gonna do? Coin. Watch Bitcoin. Watch Bitcoin shoot to the top. I'm just not gonna test anything at the top. Here we go, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. to 1040. To 1040. Just not gonna test it at the top. Just not what I want to do. But looks good. I'm looking to short the market after. Let it run 21012. Tony, Eaton, what's going on? Short. You want to see the full chart, just subscribe to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01. Yeah. Watch Bitcoin at 57664. Bitcoin got to go higher. For these things to go higher. Watch Bitcoin. I'm not looking to long the market. I'm looking to short the market. Here she goes. She popped, right? There's not enough juice. 211. 211. 211. Bitcoin broke. 57,664. Let it do what it do. I'm not looking to long the market. I'm looking to short the market. Let's see what happened. MS 91. Uber at 68. Watch Uber at 68. Watch Uber at 68. HON at 195. HON at 195. Watch HON at 195. SPY 501. Let's go. SMCI. SMCI. Meta at 442. Watch Meta at 442. Mara at 1650. The higher it go, the better it is. We're going to take it from the top. If you'd like to see the full chart, subscribe to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01, please, and thank you. Hit the notification bell. Hit the like button. You hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live on YouTube, okay? Welcome. You are in the Zen Zone. Nice little pick there, right? From 210. That's what we talked about, right? 210. And again, that's it, right? Boom, bam. Enter, you're done. Right? Here comes the VWAP now, right? Start moving from being sideways all day, right? Having some action to the upside. Woo! Look at Bitcoin, 58. Can we see 60 on Bitcoin? Nice on coin. It's a pullback. There's a pullback. There's a pullback. So what I'm gonna do, this is gonna do it for me, guys. SMCI 738, right? I gotta give up the studio. So 7, right back down, that 210.40. I'm gonna look to short the coin at 210.40 to the downside. Okay? And if you want to follow us on all social media at the Zen Zone 01. Come on into the Discord. Okay? And TikTok, you can follow me on TikTok. Where you guys at now? Check the bio, right? Check the link in the bio for all social media. Come on in. If you want to join us early morning prep at 9 to 9:30, come on into the VIP section. Just send us a message email us at info@thezenzone.us. And also check out our website too, guys, www.thezenzonestore.com. Check out our merches. If you want to find some nice trading shirts, some motivational shirts, jump on in there, check us out, leave a comment, email us, leave your email as well so you could know when we put product in the store as well. Okay? So that's going to do it for me. Nothing really happened more than that little pop. I definitely watch coin underneath 210 to the downside, right? That reversal trade. I'll be looking for that going into the close. The next level to break over is that next 215, right? That's if we have enough volume to get coin to that level. If not, I'm going to be watching that 210 level, 210.40 to the downside. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll back at it tomorrow again in the Zen Zone VIP. Join us in the Discord. Follow us on all social media at the Zen Zone 01, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Meta, on X, on Instagram. Come on in, man. Join the team. Let's make money together. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you.
I appreciate you, man, for the likes. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. HOW, Netflix.
Okay, Steve.
All right.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. You're welcome, buddy.
All right. All right.
All right.